Guys, welcome back to App. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you Shopify customer accounts tutorial, how to enable and use customer accounts. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So yes, you might be wondering, how do you start using customer accounts here, or how do you enable them? Well, in this case, currently with my website, the customer accounts is not yet available. As you can see right now, there's no person icon here that allows my customers to log in. But how do we enable this one? Now, it's fairly easy to go to your admin dashboard here on Shopify, and you want to go to your settings at the bottom left here, and you want to look for the option that says customer accounts on the left panel. Now, once you click on customer accounts, the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you enable show login links here. And you have two options. So you have the new version or new way of creating customer accounts. So for the new one, customer login with a one-time code that will be sent to their email from Shopify. Now, if you want to make it for your customers to make it easy to basically create your account, access your platform, and buy something, in this case, you could use new. But if you want to use the classic one, which in this case, they will need to basically create or use a password. So customers need access to new customer accounts to use store credit. Switching to classic customer accounts will turn off store credit here. So if you want to turn that off, you want to go ahead and proceed, click on switch to classic here. And from here, you should be able to basically start using the classic way of new, customer accounts. Now, also, you have the new customer accounts here. So if you want to use store credit, self-serve returns, and some URLs, if you want to visit the account page for or edit or start managing it, go ahead and click on manage here. So you can basically connect your domain. Now, in this case, it's going to go back into customer accounts and make sure that it's actually properly set up. Now, once you're sure that you've set this up and done all the customizations they want, once we go back into our Shopify store and start reloading our page, it should start showing us the person icon, which allows us to basically start logging into our account. So in this case, it has all the functionalities like the forgot your password option, create account, sign in with shop. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video is able to help you. Like and subscribe to App. Thank you for watching.